I love having a drill press in my small woodworking shop, but this cheap tool has at times felt not even worth keeping. I've spent far too long telling myself that it's good enough. Meanwhile, every project turns into a balancing act. The biggest issue by far is the tiny table that comes stock on most drill presses. Every time I try to use this tool, things are dangling off the side, they're rocking back and forth, and I either need to improvise with my free hand or use a ton of clamps to keep everything in place. So I've decided it's finally time to stop working around the problem and fix it instead. Let's do a quick project and build ourselves a drill press table. Okay, so we've got all the pieces cut out for the base of the new drill press table. This is gonna be a very simple box, and its only job is to raise the surface of the table up above where that handle wants to swing to raise and lower the cast iron table. With the base ready to go, I cut 2 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood to serve as the tabletop. A large surface solves so many problems. All of a sudden, you can work with large panels, odd shapes, and do complicated drilling operations without needing to reach for a third arm. Okay, now that I have my 2 pieces laminated together for the tabletop, I'm gonna cut some dados to hold T-track. This is gonna allow me to add an integrated fence and hold down clamps. After breaking the edges with my block plane, it was time to install the T-track. Okay, we have the basics of our tabletop all ready to go. We have the T-track installed, and that's gonna hold down clamps, as well as the fence, which we're gonna make next. Okay, next I'm gonna laminate these 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood to make our fence. You'll notice I've cut one slightly shorter than the other, and that's to allow it to house this T-track. All right, let's go try it out. Now, this is a perfectly serviceable drill press table, but there's still one thing left to do. As is, this drill press table accomplishes all of the goals that we have for it. It's a larger, stable surface with T-track for a fence and hold down clamps, but as we drill, we're gonna be slowly destroying this nice tabletop we just created. Now, since I don't feel like replacing this every 2 months, we need a sacrificial insert. So let's do that now. With the insert installed, it was time to test everything out. That's it for this build. This table gives me a way bigger surface, safer clamping, and better repeatability. Not to mention, it makes this cheap drill press feel like a real tool again. If you're into shop upgrade videos, check out this video right here where I show you how I completely transformed my cheap job site table saw. Until next time, thanks for watching.